Great talk, really interesting. How realistic is it for beekeepers to use the electric harp, considering they need electricity and a lot of apiaries are kind of, far out, or they're in the countryside where they won't have access?
These electric harps we used here are fitted by batteries. So this can be used in any apiary. There are other models of these electronic parts that have to be connected to the public system, but these were with batteries. One of the weaknesses of this method is the price, the initial price. And this is maybe not affordable for bigger apiaries, because many harps are needed. But it is going to depend also on the beekeeper. Here are being used in small and medium in apiaries.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Julia.
Hola, Sandra. Thank you very much for your talk and for mentioning us. It's a pleasure to work with you and to share your ideas. And I was wondering, maybe it's interesting to measure how many harps do we need to effectively protect an apiary. Maybe with fraction, we used nearly 1 harp per colony, so that's a lot of investment, and we needed a big difference between protected and unprotected harps colonies. But maybe I have experience with some beekeepers, and they use 2 harps per lane of colonies. So maybe a huge apiary is reasonably well protected with 5-10 harps, and that would very much reduce the cost and maintenance of this method. But yeah.
How many harps depend on several things. How many hornets do you have? And also how the hives are placed on the space. Traditionally, beekeepers tended to have the hives very dispersed on the apiary, so honeybees are able to find more easily each hive, and reducing other dynamics into the colonies, between the colonies. But what we recommend here is to put them in lines and very near. That is because in the first years of our research with electric harps, we realized that the protective effect of the harp is bigger in the first 4 or 5 meters from the harp on both sides, 4 and 4. So you can have an harp protecting more or less a line of 8 meters. So the more hives you put in this protective line, the better. But yes, it will be interesting to know and to have a better idea of how use this device more efficiently. Thank you.